Good morning to the students of class 5. Students, we were doing the division of decimal numbers. In the last class, we have done the division of decimal numbers by 10 and multiples of 10 like 100, 1000, 10,000, etc. Now in today's class, we are going to do the division of decimals by whole numbers. At first, we are going to do the division of decimals by one digit number. Here children, an example is shown, 6.8 divided by 2. Now for this division, what you will do, you are going to do the division as you do the division of whole numbers, but you need to place the decimal point directly above the decimal point in the dividend. That means for writing the quotient over here, you need to place the decimal point in the same alignment of the dividend in the quotient. Now you may also write the quotient in the right side. Now it is your choice. So children, you can write, you are first dividing this 6 by 2. So 2 3s are 6 we are getting. Then no remainder means remainder 0. Now see, whenever you are bringing the number from the decimal part, you need to put the point in the quotient. So 8 is present in the decimal part, you are bringing down 8. That means you are putting the point in the quotient also. So you are getting 2 4s are 8. Now no remainder. So finally you are getting the quotient as 3.4. Now let's work out a few sums of your maths textbook. Question number 1. 20.22 divided by 6. The children, you are going to write 6 here, then 20.22. Now at first you are considering this 20, then you have 6 3s are 18. Now remainder 2 after subtracting. Now children, you are bringing down the 2 from the decimal part. That means this 2 is present in the decimal part. So for that you need to put a point over here. You are putting the point in the quotient. Then you are doing the division. 6 3s are 18 you are getting. And after that remainder is 4. Now again you are bringing the 2 here and you have 42. Then you are writing 6 7s are 42. Now no remainder is there. You are getting the answer as 3.37. Now the next one, 17.1 divided by 3. Here also children, at first you are dividing this 17 by 3. So you are writing 3 5s are 15. That means since it is not going, you will have to choose the number which is closer to 17 but less than 17. So you are getting 3 5s are 15, then subtracting remainder 2. Now you are bringing down this 1. Now 1 is present in the decimal part. So you have 21. Now you are writing 3 7s are 21. Now no more remainder. You are getting the answer as 5.7. Now children, keep in mind where to place the decimal point. Whenever you are bringing down the number from the decimal part, just before bringing the number, you need to put the decimal point in the quotient. Now the next sum, 51.16 divided by 2. Now children, here again you are first choosing this 5. So 2 2s are 4, remainder is 1. Remainder is 1. Now again you bring down this 1. You bring down this 1 and you have 11. Then you are going to write 2 5s are 10. Alright. Now remainder 1. And now children, you will have to bring the 1 from the decimal part. That is why you are putting the decimal point over here. You are putting the decimal point over here and you are again getting 11 and you are writing 2 5s are 10. Then again 11 minus 10, 1. Now you bring down the 6 and you have 16. So you are going to write 2 8s are 16. Then after that no remainder. So you are getting the answer as 25.58. Now similarly, the next sum number 4, 3.44 divided by 8. Now children, here see, this 3 is less than 8, alright. So we cannot take the 3. So for that case, what we do, we are going to put a 0 over here, then put the decimal point. Why decimal point we are putting? Because we need to take this 34. This 4 after the decimal point we need to consider. As I have told that 3 is less than 8, you cannot divide it. That is why you are taking this 34. Now you can divide. See, after putting the 0, then you put the point, then you write 8 4s are 32. Then 34 minus 32, that is 2 remainder. Now you bring down this 4 over here and you have 24 you are getting, and you know 8 3s are 24. So after that no remainder, and finally you are getting the answer as 0.43. Now next sum, 0.00344 divided by 8. So children, here again you find that 0, so it is not going, so you will put 0. Then point, you put the decimal point, alright. Then after that, see here again 0, so you are putting the 0, not going. Now again see 0 you have, so you put the 0, it is not going. Now you have 3, but 3 is also not going. 3 will also not go by 8. That means 3 cannot be divided by 8. So again you are putting 0. Now you are taking this 34. Now you can divide by 8. So you are writing 8 4s are 32. Then remainder is 2. Now bring down this 4 and you have 24. You can write 8 3s are 24. Now no more remainder is there. That means you are getting the answer, that is a quotient, as 0.00043. Next, sum number 6, 14.805 divided by 7. Now here again, at first you are choosing the 14, that is the integer part. 7 2s are 14. No remainder. Now you put the decimal point here. Why? Because you are bringing the 8, bringing down the 8. So 8 is present in the decimal part. That is why before bringing down the 8, you put the decimal point over here. Alright. Now you have 7 1s are 7, remainder 1. Then you bring down the 0 over here and you have 10. Again you write 7 1s are 7. Now you have a remainder 3. 10 minus 7, that is 3. Now you bring down the 5 and you have 35. So you are writing 7 5s are 35. So now no remainder. You are getting the quotient as 2.115. This is your answer. 2.115. Okay children. So you are going to note down the sums in your classwork notebook. Thank you all for today.